Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to switch to Binance Pro. Binance offers two distinct interfaces, Lite and Pro. Lite mode is perfect for those new to crypto, providing a streamlined experience for basic buying and selling. However, if you are looking to dive deeper into the crypto market with more advanced tools and features, Binance Pro is your go-to. The good news is, switching between these modes is incredibly simple and can be done in just a few taps. Switching to Binance Pro is a straightforward process. First, open your Binance app and ensure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. This will open a side menu. Within this menu, look for the Binance Lite toggle switch. Simply tap it to turn it off. The app will then seamlessly switch you over to the more comprehensive Binance Pro interface, ready for advanced trading. The main difference lies in functionality and interface. Binance Lite provides a clean, user-friendly dashboard, perfect for quick transactions and checking basic cryptocurrency prices. In contrast, Binance Pro is designed for experienced users, offering a powerful and advanced trading interface. It includes features like spot, margin, options, and futures trading, along with detailed real-time charts and a wide array of order types. Pro also gives you access to Binance Earn and P2P trading. By switching to Binance Pro, you unlock a full suite of professional trading tools. You can engage in advanced strategies like futures and margin trading, explore a broader selection of cryptocurrencies, and utilize detailed charting tools for in-depth market analysis. Furthermore, Pro mode provides access to Binance Earn, allowing you to grow your crypto assets through various investment products. It's an excellent way to maximize your potential in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.